A CCW doesn't make you law enforcement. It doesn't give you unlimited permission to carry. It only lets you do so under very narrow rules. And the second you break those rules, the permit stops protecting you and it starts proving that you knew better. It's a limited license which is issued by your local sheriff or police chief that allows you to carry a concealed handgun in public. To apply, you generally have to be allowed to own firearms in the first place. So if you've ever been convicted of a felony or you're on probation, this typically won't apply to you. There is a separate process for restoring your gun rights, but we'll cover that in another video. So first, you had to apply to the county sheriff or the city police department. To do that, they usually start off with a background check process and then a required interview and a live scan. What they're basically going to be doing is they're just going to look at your record, assess your risk level, and then they're going to speak with you one-on-one to see if you really do need a concealed carry permit and if there's going to be any issues with you moving forward. From there, you're going to have to complete a 16-hour course. You're going to have to do 8-hour renewals after the license expires, which is usually 2 years. The limits are usually where I've seen people get in trouble. So a CCW doesn't just let you carry in courthouses, government buildings, school zones, or other prohibited spaces. And California places what's called a sensitive place rule. Some restrictions are blocked, some are enforceable, and the exact rule can depend on the court orders and local enforcement guidance. But the safest practical rule is this: before you carry into any sort of bar, stadium, government building, school area, airport, or private property situation, check the current rule, because violating the location restriction can cost you the permit, and it can also create criminal exposure, which can unfortunately interfere with your Second Amendment rights to carry in the first place. The legal exposure for these types of crimes is pretty serious. If you're carrying the wrong gun, carrying your gun while intoxicated, or carrying your gun in a prohibited place, this can turn the CCW from you using it as protection into evidence against you.